Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. Today I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if your Windows 10 taskbar is missing or perhaps not responding on your computer. So as you can see on my screen, I do not have the taskbar visible. So in order to resolve this, I'm going to move my mouse pointer over to any side of the screen, preferably probably the bottom here. And you can see when I bring my mouse over, the taskbar appears. And then when I raise my mouse, it disappears again. So what we want to do is head back to the bottom where our taskbar is, assuming that's where your guys' are as well. And you're going to right click on it, and then left click on the settings button right here. Where it says taskbar, you want to go down to the third option where it says automatically hide the taskbar in tablet mode. Click inside this oval to toggle to the off position if it's currently on, and do the same thing for the automatically hide the taskbar in desktop mode. You want to turn that off as well. So you want to make sure both of these are turned off. And then you can close out of the settings window and you should be good to go. So I hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I will catch you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.